Hi, I'm Will Paterson. I'm a hand lettering artist, logo designer, YouTube content creator, and an author. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create promotions on your Squarespace online store. These promotions are a great way of encouraging customers and visitors to make purchases on your online store. It could be free shipping, a discount code for a certain category, for a certain list, for a certain product, or for the whole website. It's great for holiday seasons and it's great for milestones and achievements. Let's jump right into it. So let's say I want to make a Cyber Monday special promotion offering 15% off all products over $100. So let's click on discounts, then click the plus icon. We'll enter a name for the promotion, what kind of discount it will be, how much of a promotion, and what it applies to. Towards the end, we'll input how long we want the promotion to last. Make sure you review everything, and once happy and ready, hit that save button. Now we can see that this promotion is scheduled, and we can even track how many people have used it. This is just one of the options Squarespace gives you. There are multiple types of discounts you can offer, including discounts for entire orders, orders over a set amount, specific individual products, or product categories. Now, all these discounts and promotions are great, but we need an easy way to advertise our promotions, and that is where the announcement bar comes in handy. Click on Marketing and then Announcement Bar. Go ahead and enable your announcement bar, then type what you want your announcement bar to say. Quick tip, you can change the way that your announcement bar looks by going into Site Styles and clicking on Announcement Bar. So that's how you make a promotion. So if you enjoyed this video, please press that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of these other how-to tutorials. I hope this encourages you to start listing your own products and making promotions on your website. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.